How to replace your lateral and compliance link from a Tesla Model 3 or Y. So grab your 21, as I already did. Take out, if you're doing both, you gotta do one at a time. So grab a 22, boom, that one is out. Then the next one we're gonna do is to install it back. You know, from the old one that was taken off, put on the new one. So like I said, if you're doing both, you gotta do one at a time. So make sure when you trying to tighten this, when you installing it back, make sure you hand thread first. Make sure you hand thread it first so that you don't, you know, want the thread. So that's done. Grab your 21. The one that bolts on the frame is a 21. Then to tighten it on the hub is a 22. So and before you bolt down that one, put on the bolt that goes from the front shock or strut to the lateral first. Then hand thread. Always hand thread your bolts and nuts first. You know, that's a 21 as well. Boom, 22. So a quick tip, anytime you're doing these cars, Model 3 and Y, um, lateral links are different. You know, the compliance are the same, but lateral are different. You know, just to put that out there. So we're doing the lateral right now. That's a 21 and 22. 22. Boom. That's out. And putting it back. Then there's a nut behind, you know, on top. So I'm gonna, at the end of this video, I'm gonna show you what nuts that I was trying to tighten or screwing into this guy. Like I said, always hand screw or hand tight first. Or two. Then use a 21, 21s. Then that done, the next thing we're gonna do is to torque all the bolts and nuts. So we start off by torquing um, the two 22s. Those are, I think, 120 foot-pound. Then these are the ones that the 21s. I think those are 120. Then those, I think 120 as well. Then the next one we're gonna do is that one is 85. The one, the lateral and the strut. So I'm gonna show you the bolt, the knots that I was at the end. So this is it on top of the